How to use Tome AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Tome AI to create attractive presentation using an AI tool. You just have to give it a prompt and the AI tool will create a very attractive presentation for you. So in order to use Tome AI, just go to your preferred browser and search for Tome AI, and over here just click on the first link that you will see on the top and it will take you to the official website of Tome AI. So here, as you can see on the home screen, you have two options. Either you can sign into your account if you already have an account in Tome AI, and if you don't have an account, you just have to click on Try Tome, and here it will ask you to sign up or log into your account. So if you have an account, just go ahead and log into your account, and if you don't have one, just create an account for yourself. So I'm just gonna click on continue with Google because I don't have an account with Tome, and then just select an email address and click on continue. Now you have to enter your basic details like your first name, your last name, the work that you will gonna do on Tome AI. So just enter the details and just enter your details like your role and the company size and the website name, and then click on next. And now here, as you can see, you are in the home screen of Tome AI, and here you have all these options available. So in the bottom left corner you will see the option called add pages, and here you have different layouts that you can choose to make a presentation for yourself. And on the top right corner you have these options. This is obviously your profile icon, and this is the engagement analytics with Tome AI, and this is the comments that the work that you will create. Here you can add the comments in that particular work, and this is the recorder for the presentation that you're creating, and of course the share icon to save your work and share with your friends. And on the right hand side you will see all these options. You can add text in your presentation, media, and other things like graphs, chart, and themes, etc. So in order to create a presentation, all you have to do is just click on this section in the bottom, and here you have these options. So in order to create a presentation, you just have to click on the last option which says create presentation about, and now it will ask you to give a prompt in order for the AI tool to create a presentation for you. So just go ahead and give a prompt over here, and the AI tool will start working for that particular prompt that you have given. For example, I want to make a presentation about famous food around the world, and once you type in your prompt, just click on generate outline. And now the AI tool has started working, and it has given you the option that it will add the headers like Italian, French, Mexican, Japanese, Indians, and Greek. So you can go ahead and click on choose layout. So as you can see that the AI has created a 6-page presentation for you. So you can click on next to see all the pages. And if you don't like any of them, you can just simply click on this cross icon from the top and remove that particular page. And if you're okay with it, just click on next and see every single page individually. And once it is done, you can click on done from the bottom. And now your presentation has been created. So on the left hand side page, you have all these options. If you further want to add text to your presentation, you can click on add text, and you can add headings, body, list, and captions. You can also add and generate images and upload images in the presentation itself, or you can also search in the Google to add different pictures in your slide in your presentation. And if you're okay with your presentation, and you also have the option to play the presentation, so just click on play, and then you will be able to see the presentation. And now if you want to save it, just click on share again and copy the link of this particular slide, and just copy the link, and now you can paste the link. And now you can share this particular slide and save it accordingly while sending the link to someone. So this is basically how you will be able to use Tome AI to create presentation of your choice. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.